Here on a pretty fall afternoon. It's about 55 degrees out. And this water is up. So we're gonna try this Ned for a bit. I really ain't had much time to fish in the past month. You know, the last time I went, it was still warm outside and the bite was still on, but I believe these fish are hibernating now. No, that was a bite. That was a bite. Just gonna have to stay patient. Make one more cast of this, and I might also route my ultralight in case I can get a few bluegills if the bass aren't biting at all. It don't seem like anything will bite right now. It's got a little bitty twister tail grub on this one. It's bad when you can't even get a bite on this thing. This is usually my go-to for I just need to catch one fish. I don't think I want to get any bluegills. I'll just keep trying for the bass, I guess. Oh my god. Got one. Finally got me one. It's a pretty good one. It's about a 11-inch smallmouth, I'd say. Dude, I'm so happy I caught this guy. I didn't think I was gonna get a bite. He is freezing cold too. See you, buddy. But my camera literally was about to die as soon as I put that fish back, so I had to swap out batteries. But the Ned rig is catching them still. I didn't feel that bite at all. It just, my line just ran straight out while it was sitting on the bottom. So I guess fish can be caught in weather this cold. I mean, I think it's about 50 degrees out right now. You just have to fish super slow. One thing about fishing when it's this cold out, both of my hands are numb, and unless I can see the fish bite, I don't think I'm going to be able to feel it through my rod. Snagged. As much as I love fishing a Ned rig in the warmer weather, I know a lot of people when it's warm out, they'd rather catch them on something, you know, fun to fish with. But times like this, baits like the Ned rig or a Senko or a, light Texas rig, it's all but necessary to fish with one of those to even get a bite. Because I don't think anything's going to eat a top water today.